So I wanted to introduce to you Testimonial Maker White Label. Okay, so this is a new product, okay, which is a testimonial creator with different styles and different templates, but with a white label version, so you can install it on your site. It comes with a very gorgeous sales page and resell it for your own, okay? So why Testimonial Maker? Well, the main thing is that testimonials are actually incredibly important for increasing or improving sales, okay? And that's true for any online business, pretty much. If you think about websites like Amazon or even the App Store, even Apple, okay, they are like littered with testimonials. They really use testimonials to drive conversions. Now, the second reason why we decided to create Testimonial Maker was because there is no single decent testimonial creator on the market. And actually, I Googled it. I tried to search for it for a little while. And if you search for stuff like testimonial creator, testimonial generator, there's nothing that looks half decent. You know, they all look very outdated with very poor graphics and poor user interface. So, you know, in that sense, a lot of people are kind of missing out on sales because they don't have access to this kind of technology. And this testimonial creator, it's pretty much a unique product that makes a difference, okay? So one of the ways it makes a difference is with, you know, this gorgeous user interface that we custom developed for this product. Okay, so we try to make it very clean, very sober. So this is a screenshot of the actual user interface. And, you know, we added a kind of beautiful, soothing silver and blue theme. And there is no more than 6 buttons at any given time on the screen. So it's incredibly easy to use, even if you have no design experience at all. It also calls themes, and it's highly customizable. So you can change, there's multiple themes with pictures or without pictures. You can change the style, you can change the frame, you can add your own picture, and you can change the text color. And I'm going to show you a demo of it in a second. And as well, it comes with a bonus sales page. Okay, so because it's a white label product, I mean, this is a product that basically you can take and rebrand and resell, or you can resell it as it is. It comes with a done for you sales page, and I'm going to show you that sales page in a second. And it's actually that's a sales page that I would have used. I mean, if I was selling this on the Wire Forum or to my list, I would have used this sales page. It's a very, very high quality sales page that we actually spend some good time crafting. Okay, and now let me show you. So I'm going to show a demo of you know, what you get. So just give me a second to pull out my information. Okay, so the first thing you get, so there's actually 2 types of sales page you'll get in this white label product. The first type of sales page is kind of a startup style sales page. So very minimal. It's a demo version, so you can see here, you can send your customers here. They can, you know, do any edits in real time as usual. Okay, so I can change the style, I can change the okay, and I can add my picture. So let's say I added I think I have some pictures here somewhere. Okay, so you can pretty much customize it how you want, but this is the demo version, the front end version. So basically, your customers, if they want to access it, they'll have to click on sign up, and this sign up button will link to your PayPal or whatever payment platform you're using, and then you will give them access to the full version. Okay, so on the demo version, there's a big watermark here. So people can download their graphics. Okay, so it's an online graphic creator, but they'll have to have the watermark. Okay, so they'll need to sign up. Okay, so that's kind of the minimalist sales letter. And then there's another sales letter, so it comes with two different sales letters, so you have a choice, and which is a long form sales letter. Okay, so that's called kind of more the traditional IM style sales. This sales letter is custom made for this product. I actually wrote it, and we use graphic magics to create the graphics, and it looks very, very. We've even embedded some demo of the tools here. Okay, so as your customers are checking out your products, they can do the edit themselves, try it for themselves, try the color, and then when they reach the button, there are some examples of what they can do with it. Really create some gorgeous testimonial templates. And finally, if they click on getting some success, so you just add your PayPal link to that, and you get paid for that, and then you can send them to your business, which I'm about to show you now. So your members area, which is this page. Okay, so here you can notice the difference with the first one. So if I go back to the first one, there's this demo only, but members area, there's no demo only watermark, so they can fully use it, they can download, and they can enjoy it. Okay, so that's pretty much the package. Okay, that's pretty much all you get in this package. So as you can see, we're really like giving you a choice, so you can use the simple starter page or the long form sales letter, which are both cool. And you'll have access to the demo of these in a second. Let me just go through the rest of the presentation. Okay, so how can you use this white label? Okay, so what would be the possible use of this stuff? Okay, you could sell it from your blog or website. Okay, so if you have a blog or website, you just upload it all, and you link it from your blog or website and try to drive sales this way. You can use it as an upsell to a product, or as an upsell to a WSO, or whatever you're launching. And I think it would do well in that sense. If you have like a front-end product on, how to get testimonials from customers, like a PDF report, for free or paid that you sell, and then on the back end as an upsell, you can use Testimonial Creator. But again, even on the front end, it would do well, because as you can see, the sales page is very, very, very cool. You can also break it down and sell it as individual product. Okay, so because there's templates here. There's style 1, style 2, style 3. So you can probably break it down into 2 different products. I know that some people have my previous white label product, which was Graphic Magic, so some people have breaking it down. Or you can translate it in another language. And I know that there's a few people, who are from countries like Spain, Portugal, or whatever, and you can translate it if that's your case in your language. The only language that are not supported for translation are Chinese and Hebrew, just in case. So what's inside this white label product? Here you can see a screenshot of pretty much what you get. Okay, so it's a zip file. It's about 100 MB. So inside you get your license. Okay, so you'll have more information about the license on the sales page, which I'm about to share with you in a second. Then you'll have a README file with all the tutorials and instructions, and there's a about 25 minutes video training that shows you step by step how to upload it. That actually I shot this video this morning. It's very concise. Then you have your source code, so that's like the Flash software source code and some of the PSD files. And then you have the members area, the sales page, and the demo page, which is not in the screenshot, oddly enough. Okay, so source files, done for you sales page, delivery page, video tutorial, and white label rights. Okay, so just to give you an idea, like how much did it cost us? Like on developing the UI, so the user interface, which is like how it works, and like these graphics, that cost us about $500. On the graphics themselves, about $500, give or take. Flash development, about $500 as well, probably a bit less actually. And sales page and members area, probably about two. I mean, if we actually, I did the sales page myself and the members area, but if I had to put a value on it, it will be at least $200, probably a lot more. So minimum, you're looking at about $1,700. Okay, so you can say it's a pretty cool package. Okay, and now you might be wondering, like, should you buy from me today? If you decide to buy, of course. Well, if you see any of my previous products, the testimonials, what people say about my products, usually they are pretty happy about it. Okay, you can see this guy here, Jay, which is a software creator himself, and he's saying anything I bring is pure gold. This guy is one of the few respected software marketers with a great deal of marketing knowledge, and so on. Okay, so if you check any of my previous products like Instant Social Presence, KD Renegade, I got a lot of very positive support regarding the product I released. And the second thing, which is more important for me, is that we have a rock star support team. I mean, on our support team, there are 6 of us right now. There's a Flash developer, there's me, there's some customer support, there's a PHP guy, there's some, so we're really are here to help you. And I think that's the good thing with our company and what we do, is that we really put the customers first. And that would be a reason to join us today. Okay, so the price for all this, so this package, so you're going to be able to see the preview right now. It's only $147. Okay, and there's actually something even better, because I'm going to give a coupon code to you today because you came to that to this webinar, so you'll get a discount on that. Okay, and at this point, that's the way you have to see it, because like, to me, like, a product like this for $147 is pretty much, it's a bargain, because the way you have to think of it is, how fast can you make your money back, and then can you make a profit on it? That's what matters. Because if you just buy this product for $147 and you don't sell anything, it's not really worth it. Okay, but at this price point, so if you sell, let's say, this product for $17, okay, so on this sales page here, when people come to your website, here you had a PayPal link for $17, okay, so you only need to sell 9 copies at $17 to me. Okay, so now the question to ask would be, can you sell 9 copies? Okay, if you can sell 9 copies of this product, which is very cool. Again, it's 100% original. I haven't sold it anywhere. I haven't even sold it to my list. So you'll be one of the sole owners of it. Okay, and you only need to sell 9 copies at $17. Okay, so that's the question you need to ask yourself right now, if you can sell these 9 copies. All right, so the cart is about to open now in about 2 minutes. Okay. So you can actually get $20 off on checkout. So when you get to the checkout page, so I'm gonna give you the link right now. But when you get to the checkout page, there will be a space to add a coupon code, and if you enter easy like Sunday, like it's written right here, so all caps and everything, then you'll get $20 off. Okay, so that's just specially for you, because you took the time to come on this webinar today, which I really appreciate. Okay, so take note of that. Easy like Sunday, which is actually, I woke up this morning and I had this tune in my head, by Lionel Richie, and I started listening it, and then I decided to make it the coupon code. Okay, easy like Sunday, because we are Sunday, and it's a Sunday only discount as well. All right, so that's the URL where you can get testimonial maker white label, including the sales page, the demo page, the members area, training and support from myself and from my team, just go to ymapps.com/now. Okay, so if you type that into your browser, okay, ymapps.com/now. Okay. So the cart is open now, ymapps.com/now, and I'm about to take some questions. So if you have any questions, so if you go on this page, you'll be able to preview some of the stuff I demonstrated to you right now for yourself. Okay, ymapps.com/now, and as well. I've added some links to some live demos here, okay, which you can go to. Okay, so if you go to ymapps.com/sales demo, that's a demo of the short, the kind of startup style sales letter. Then if you go to ymapps.com/demo, that's a demo of the long sales letter. Okay, so this one. And if you go to ymapps.com/training, this will be a video training that comes with the white label product. Okay, so if you are not sure if you're not sure about how technical you need to be to do that, then you can have a look at the video training so you can really see what's involved. And I mean, the only technical part to install it really is the most technical stuff is to upload it. I mean, and I'll talk you through that. So you just need to upload via FTP, and then you're good. Okay. So now let me take some questions. Okay. So Michael is asking, how many white label licenses do you release? There'll be 50 white label licenses released, and when it's over, it will get closed right away. Okay, so Hawkert is saying, I missed a lot due to Flash and Mozilla issue. Please get me on another webinar invite. So this webinar is recorded. Actually, I remember to click the record button at the beginning. So there will be a recording added to that page. So ymapps.com/. This is where we are selling this white label software right now. So I'll add the webinar there, and I will email it to you as well. Piotr Langner is asking, is this product multilingual? Well, as I mentioned, the software can be customized to another language. And I know this because I've been helping someone from Portugal actually customize one of our previous software, which is Graphic Magics, for his market. Okay, so yes, you can change it to your language. If you let me know what your language is, I can confirm that, because I know that we don't support Chinese and Hebrew, so you can't translate it to Chinese and Hebrew. But if your language is nothing like this, then it can surely help you. Dave Ham, do you give a guarantee? Yeah, I mean, the guarantee we give usually with our products is that that they work. So we'll help you. We'll help if you have any technical issues. We'll help you, fix those. Now, with a white label product, because of the nature of this product, the best guarantee we can do would be a 7 days guarantee. I mean, if you just want to try it out, but I think that if you look at a product like this, it's really a done for you, product, sales funnel, and and software. Okay, so it's a very high quality software. So I mean, what you should ask yourself is, if you really think like you can sell these 9 copies, or you can sell some copies to make a profit. It's not the kind of product that you would try and then say, I don't like it. You know what I mean? But if you have any questions about, about it, and how you can use it, just let me know. So Gary is asking, I'm having fits with my laptop, and is there a replay today? No, it's recorded, so I'll add the recording to this page, ymdapps.com/now, and then I'll send it via email as well. So Hal RG is asking, you mentioned Flash, so it would not work on Apple devices. Yeah, that's right, and that's not right at the same time. So Flash works on Mac, iMac, and any like desktop or Apple laptops, but Flash does not work on iPad, iPhone, and all this high stuff. Okay. So yeah, it would not work, but to be honest, that's never been a problem with us. I mean, we serve, as I mentioned at the beginning, we serve a lot of customers. Over 8,000 customers now are using this technology. Most people, this kind of like marketing tool, they use it on their laptops. They don't do like marketing from their iPhones or iPads. Second question is, can the size of the testimonial be changed? Well, you can try for yourself. You can change the size of the text. Okay, so there's when you go to the editing, you can change the size of the text just by sliding that text slider. Okay. Is this a web app or customers would access? So that's from Al again. Yeah, it's a web application. Bill say, do you produce apps for Facebook? And yes, we do actually. None of them is white label yet. I have a couple of regular, like single license for Facebook. So the product is Instant Social Presence for Facebook. If you Google it, you should find it. Or if you go to instantsocialpresence.com, there's the Facebook stuff. So Nigel say, thanks. So thanks a lot, Nigel, for getting in. I really hope this will help you in your business. Thanks for being here as well. Michael say, thanks, got it. What's the meaning? Okay, so thanks, Michael, for getting it. Thanks for being with me. What's the minimum price we can sell it? $17. So actually, when you get your download, when you download your package, which is about 100 MB, so it's pretty big, but should get through it. You'll see a license file, and according to the license, the minimum price is $10. Okay, which I think is pretty fair. So Ockert says the links YMB apps /sales long demo don't work. Okay, so let me see. Let me try this for myself here. Actually, I think that Ockert, what you had wrong is that instead of HTTP, you have HTTPS. Okay, so if you just do HTTP ymdapps.com, then you should get there. Dave M says, very important, does YMB provide lifetime support to any customers buying this product through resellers, or is the reseller responsible for their own customer support? And you're right, that's very important. And the way we work it out is that we provide support to you as a reseller, and we'll make sure your software works. And if we are pushing any updates in the code, then we'll send you the updates so you can pass them through your customers. But we won't provide support for your customers. And that's for the simple reason that, let's take a case scenario. Let's say, like you, Dave, you have a list of 10,000 customers, like a few marketers do, and you send this product to your list today, and you sell a couple hundred or 500 copies, and then we would have to bear all the customer support. So we wouldn't be able to do that. That would be way too much for it. So we can't provide customer support for your customers. We can help you with that. So, I mean, normally, like this type of product, there's a really minimum customer support. I mean, it's so simple, so easy to use, and so there's not any like complications. It's not a massive software with a million options and a million ways to break. With this type of product, it's very unlikely that you'll get any major customer support. You might your request. So that's when so your customers might ask you to add this or that feature, and that you can send it over to us. And I mean, if we get the same feature request from several of our white label clients, we'll surely push it. That's no problem. And on the customer support side, so again, I don't think there'll be much customer support from this, as you can see. And if you are a volume seller and you're expecting to sell like 1,000 of these and you really need support, I can recommend you a customer support company that I work with that could help you with that. Okay. So Nicole is asking, are you going to be doing a white label squeeze page maker? So by the way, if you have some questions, just keep on, just ask your questions, and I'm going to go through them because I'm just doing them one by one. So so feel free to ask your questions. I'm here to help you. So Nicole is asking, are you going to be doing a white label squeeze page maker? I'm not sure if it's going to be white label, but we are working on a squeeze page creator, a very, very, very cool one with very gorgeous graphics and an excellent user interface. So I think that's going to be very good. But I don't think it'll be white label. I think it'll just be a regular product. The reason is that mainly kind of comes back to Dave's question about customer support, is that if we make like something like a squeeze page creator white label and it's a complex product, then it will be very hard for us to manage and for white label customers to manage as well. So we might be doing a squeeze page maker, but it wouldn't be white label. Nico. So Nigel is saying on GoDaddy as you speak for the domain name. Yeah, that's a good idea. You don't get the domains. I mean, I got testimonialcreator.com yesterday, but I think I saw like a couple of other good domains. So yeah. And well, Nigel, if you are in the US and you're registering a domain name, because Nigel is telling me that he's registering a domain for this product right now. So just look for some coupon code, because on GoDaddy, like 2 days ago, I was able to get a domain for $1 or something, $1.17. Okay, so just get some coupon codes from Google before you buy your domain. So Bill Bus is asking, can I add it to my paid membership site? And the answer is yes. Okay, so if you go to ymbapps.com, so let me show you that. So ymbapps.com/now, which will redirect you here. Okay. You can see the white label license right at the bottom of the page. Okay, so just scroll down and click on View White Label License right. You can have it through a paid membership site. You should charge at least $20 a month to be able to have it. I hope that. Okay, so keep the questions coming. All right, so Dave is asking, so the idea is to sell software directly to offline businesses. Well, yeah, you could sell like regular licenses. You can sell the use of it to an offline business. So you can give them access to this. So they'll just come here, they sign up. They'll make the payment and then they'll have access to it. You can also resell it to other people, like doing their marketing online, because I mean, there's a lot of people who are selling products or services, whether it's SEO services or design services or any type of, or even consultants, lawyers, accountants, like any people selling services or selling products. So people selling info products, online software products, and so on, they all need testimonials at some point, and with this solution, they can create like very gorgeous and attractive testimonials. And I forgot to show you, but actually I have a demo here of, of a practical example of using this software as a user. Okay, so I got this website here. It's called info.wp, and if you go there on /testimonials, you'll see I've put some testimonials which I've created using on Maker. So you can see they look pretty I could probably have kept only one color for all of them, so I tried different colors, but they look very good. They look a lot better than having, okay, so just to say, that's the kind of stuff you can do with it and that your customers will be able to do with it. I suggest a page like this, where you create a couple of testimonials to show them, like, what they can do with it. And something else I forgot to mention is that actually the product comes with a video tutorial. Okay, so right at the bottom of the members area and the demo sales page, there's a link to a video tutorial where they can see how it works, in case. So you can change that if you want, but I've just added that here in case. Minimum, a very minimal support, because they can see how it works and so on. So Bill Bus say, where is the training video URL? Okay, so training video URL is ymbapps.com/training. Okay, so let me test it for you. Yeah, that's the one. So apps.com/training. Okay, so that's the training URL. That's where you can. This training video comes when you buy the software, so that comes with it, when you buy the white label license. But if you want to check it out in advance and see, really what's inside and what do you need to install it and so on, this is a very in-depth tutorial where I'll talk you through everything you need to know. So Dante, hi Bertrand, thanks, I just joined. I would like to know if the software comes with a sales letter as the graphics magics. And Don, well, first, thank you for being in. And to answer your question, yeah, it comes with a, actually, let me find it, 1 second. So ymbapps.com/sales-demo. So it comes with a very, very sales letter. And I actually created this myself. I spent a few hours doing it as if it was my own product. And if I'd released it as my own product, I think it would have done very, very well because the sales letter is gorgeous. The graphics are good. Everything is good. So it does come with a sales letter for you. It comes with a video tutorial that shows you how to change the add to cart payment link. I had your PayPal link here, so you can take payment. So it does come with a very, very cool sales letter. So, okay, so what is, Mazwin is asking, what is the URL? Okay, so the URL is ymbapps.com/now. Okay, so that's where that's where you can find this website. So, okay, so Mazwin is asking as well, can I this website? Yeah, I wouldn't see why not. Actually, let me think. Mazwin, can you get back to me on that? Because Mazwin is asking if he can flip the website on Flipper or on something. So I don't think that would be such an issue, to be honest, but I'll have to get back to you on that. I'll have to check with the people I consult with when it comes to your license rights. Okay, and then I can let you know. All right. So let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, so James is asking, is this newbie friendly? And James, yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's very easy to install. So you can see the training video for yourself here at ymapps.com/training. So you can see everything that is involved, and if you feel comfortable with doing the installation. To be honest, it's really not technical, you know. Okay. Okay, so any other questions before we wrap this up and we call it a day? Oh yeah, is there also, Zik is asking, is there a coupon code available? And there is, yeah. Easy like Sunday on checkout. Okay, so just use that. When you check out, just type easy like Sunday in the coupon code. And that's $20 off right away. Okay. So let me add this here as well. Everyone, that's it. On the left. Yeah, so easy like Sunday, it's available like today, just for Sunday. So tomorrow it should expire. Okay. So Nigel say got domain and installing it now, feeling really motivated. Yeah, Nigel, I mean, just go for it. I mean, you don't, as I say, you don't need to do like that many sales to really see your money back. So it shouldn't be an issue. And I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but that this product, it comes with a free 30-minute call with myself, like a strategy call. So when you download your product, inside the README file, there's a link to my calendar. Okay, so you can make a booking, and we can have a 30-minute call where I can help you and just like give you some feedback on maybe your ideas or some technical help if you need any. So I mean, we're really behind you with that product. So Roger Coleman says, how long is this white label offer open? So we're limiting it to 50 sales. So I'm not sure how long it will be open. I mean, the last one, the last white label offer we opened 2 weeks ago was Graphic Magic's white label, and that sold out in about 3 hours, I think. So this one, I would say, because we're giving a bit more licenses away for this one, so probably be open for 1 day or 2 days at most. Okay. So Luce G is asking, hello Bertrand, so sorry I only arrived now. It's very different from Testimonial. See the sales page in the web. Yeah, so Luce, if you go to ymapps.com/now, okay, you'll be able to see, all the information you need to know. You'll be able to see a demo of the sales pages that come with it, a demo of the tool in action that you can try for yourself. And you can also use this URL. So demo, just go to ymapps.com/sales-demo. Sales, go to ymapps.com/sales-long-demo. Okay, so that's the long form sales page. And training, you can go to ymapps.com/training in case you want to see, what's involved in it. And don't forget to use your coupon code because you came on the webinar. Okay. All right, so is there any other questions before we wrap this one up? So let me know in the box if there's anything else. Otherwise, I'm just gonna hand this. Okay, so I think we went through not any major questions right now. So Nigel say much appreciated. Thank you. All right. So thanks to you. I mean, thanks for being here. You know, especially today. It's it's a Sunday, so I really appreciate you take the time for being here. Thanks for yeah. Okay. So thanks for everyone who came on the call. So quite a few people, but like Hag, Arel, Hal, Andrew, Betsy, Bill, Blaine, Dave, Dennis, Don, Doug, Gary, HW, James, Jeff, John, Jonathan, Lisa, Luke, and Luce, and Michael, and Nigel, and Dick, and Theodore. Everyone that came on the call really appreciate it. So Theodore is asking, will there be a replay? Yes. This time I remember to hit the record button. So when we end this code, I'm gonna publish it on YouTube, and then I'll add it to this page, ymdapps.com/now, and so probably in the next half an hour it will be on this page. And as well, I will probably email you a link later on today. Okay. All right, so thanks everyone. Thanks a lot for checking it out. Remember, you can get your products here, ymdapps.com/now. You have this exclusive coupon code because you came on the webinar. Thanks, Michael, signing off. So thanks to everybody, and have a great Sunday and an awesome, productive week. All right, so thanks a lot, guys, and bye for now. See you soon.